Here I have Nubia Red Magic 6 Racing, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera. So let's take one photo just for an example. Then you tap here to disable it, go to settings. And here you can find mirror mode, mirror the photo when take a selfie. So you just disable this feature here, then take another photo just for an example. And as you can see on this photo, we have this lamp coming from the left side. On this photo, we have it coming from the right side. So this is like the real photo, and this is like mirrored photo. But like this lamp actually comes from the right side. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.